So here we are, Fort Lauderdale, Pompano Beach. We're gonna try to look for some bait right now. Didn't brought my yak, but still representing the tribe. Yeah, I'm listening to fish reports. Kind of choppy out there. Was not worth it to bring the yak. It's a big cold front coming in, so just gonna look for some bait right now. Maybe I'm gonna go to the beach, the pier, or I don't know. I'm gonna go after the fish. We'll see. So I'm gonna keep listening the news, see what's out there, and I'll keep you guys posted. Rock and roll.
The boat ramp is going to be on the northeast corner. So
I went to the bait store, got some shrimp. The wife is working now, so we're gonna go to Fort Lauderdale Pier. I forgot the name. Commercial Pier. I don't think that's the official name, but that's what the guy in the bait store told me to go. So, let's see what we catch. Maybe some mackerel, some king. We'll see. Oh yeah, he's choppy, rough. A lot of seaweed. That's a big one. Where you got that, buddy?
That's a big one.
Ooh, nice. Look at that. Is that a pompano?
Yeah.
Holy moly! So, this is the East Coast pompano. Holy moly!
Yeah,
That's a big one. Wow. So, no fish today. Just a couple mackerels. Nothing special. If I can catch at least a pompano, will be nice. No fishing. Spent $20 on parking, $7 to get inside of the pier, $10 on bait, and I caught one mackerel. Not worth it. Not worth it, man. Anyway, no fishing. Gonna pick up the wife now. The seminar is almost done. Maybe we're gonna go look for a place to eat. Thinking about Portuguese food. I think I'm gonna look for a Portuguese restaurant. No fishing, but at least we still have fun, right? Yep. No fish, but guess what? I'm going out with the girls downtown West Palm Beach. Ha!
Hi!